To create an offer using SHIPNEXT, if you're a carrier, a ship owner, or a ship broker, all you have to do is find your own ship. This can be done from the list or using a set of filters or a search menu. Click on the ship to see the best matching cargo on the left-hand side. Now this can be coming from emails or EDI and shown in a standard form using natural language processing and machine learning. Here you can see the user information, the date the cargo was added, port of loading, port of discharge, the laycan, some more cargo description, and other terms and conditions. Of course, you can run a freight calculator, which is generally pre-filled but still missing some information in the yellow boxes. In the right-hand side, you will see the freight you may then want to offer by clicking on Offer Freight. The last step is a pre-filled form. Now this can be filled in with some missing information like freight, demurrage, detention, other standard terms and conditions, or eventually your own terms. And then clicks on Send Offer at the bottom of the screen.